Requirement 361 starts talking about key management. We've talked about the kinds of encryption you have to use, and 361 talks about how you manage the keys for each one of the encryption standards that you've implemented in your organization. Specifically, 361 calls for the idea that we're going to use the fewest number of key custodians possible. These are the people that are in charge of managing those keys, that know what the keys are, that maintain the keys in your environment. Additionally, we stress that those keys that are encrypted by key encrypting keys, well, the keys you use to encrypt keys have to be at least as strong as the key you're encrypting. We want to store keys in the fewest number of locations, and interestingly, in the fewest number of forms. Now, I want to stress that PCI doesn't say that this needs to be one. You're going to need to store your keys in places that allow for business recovery, and you're going to need enough key custodians to manage those keys, even in the moments where they have to be changed or they have to be managed and your primary key custodian is unavailable. Make sure that you take the time to evaluate your own risks and ensure that not only are you following this minimum standard, but you've identified both what the fewest number of custodians, locations, and forms are.